In this video, I'll be showing you how to unlock hidden Windows shortcuts you never know existed. So first of all, go to your Windows keyboard and then hit Windows plus X. And here you can see it's going to open the quick link menu, which gives you access to Event Viewer, Device Manager, and more. So if I also hit the Windows Control plus D, you can see it's going to open a new virtual desktop. So I can actually open, for example, open Microsoft Edge here and then do the same again and then open a new virtual desktop. You can see I'm actually opening a clean desktop, but what we can actually do to go to the previous desktop is the following. We can decide to use our Windows and then use Control. We can actually use our keyboard, for example, to switch between arrow and then go to our first keyboard and then switch between arrow again and go to your next Windows. Or we can just use the Windows and then tab. It's going to actually give you an overview of which of the different windows that is open, the virtual desktop that is open, then we can now switch to it. Do you also know that if I press the following combination, Shift, and then press Shift, and then right click, for example, the System 32, this is going to open the extended context menu with additional options. But let me just open this without me pressing the Shift key. You can see it's just giving me some option, but we can also do show more options, which is going to give me the more options. So let's say, for example, I go to my download and here I create a new folder. Let's create a new folder here. Let me just leave this like that. And I press Shift. By pressing Shift and hitting just press Shift and then just right click on the folder, you can see it's going to give me more option on that folder. But if I just right click, it's going to give me less view of the folder. And again, if I just click on any part of my file explorer and then enter the following, you can enter Alt plus Alt on your keyboard plus D. You can see you're going to select the bar, that is the address bar in your file explorer. Or, for example, I want to create a new folder. What I can actually do is press the Control plus Shift and then N. Let me select that, Control Shift N. You can see a new folder will be created. Control Shift plus N is going to create a new folder. And to open File Explorer quickly is to use the Windows and then plus the combination of E is going to open File Explorer quickly. So you don't need to go to your Start menu or try to right click and open File Explorer, but just doing Windows E is going to open File Explorer. And again, for example, the Windows plus the combination of V on your keyboard, you can see is going to open the clipboard history. But at this moment, you see it says there is nothing here to view. But if I do the following, and do you also know that if I enter the Windows keyboard plus dot on my keyboard, it's going to actually give me opens the emoji and symbol picker. So for example, I can enter the following emojis. And here you can see we have all the we can actually choose from the different emojis. And here we go, we have more. So here we can actually even look at the love. So I can enter this, and then we also have, for example, some extra emojis of cars. So this is how you enter emoji on a notepad. And probably you may also know that if I enter the following Control plus Shift and Escape, it's going to open the Task Manager directly on my Windows 11 client operating system. So here we go. You can see it takes some time to open because my CPU is running about 100%. It's actually a virtual machine I'm using. And lastly, if I enter the combination of the Windows key on my keyboard and then enter L, it's going to actually lock my screen, as you can see. So these are the different keys, combination of keys you can actually use on your keyboard that you may not know that exist, but that can actually assist you on your daily task if you are working from home, or you are working as a student, or you are a student, or you are working in the office. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please, if this video has been of any help to you, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. And please, if you have any question, feel free to just leave it in the comment section, and I'll always reply to my comment within 24 hours.